Okay, folks. Example number 2. It says express each rational number as a fraction in simplest form. Now, Maddie, I was saying, going from a fraction to a decimal, easy. Divide the top by the bottom, got it. Going from a decimal back to a fraction, also easy, but it takes a little longer. Okay? Let's start with this one, the 0.7. Oh, okay. All right. The 0.07 repeating. Okay, it's back. It just keeps coming back. It's like a dog that you fed once, and it keeps coming back. See? All right. Now, to change a repeating decimal to a fraction, here's what we do. The first step is I want to say that n is equal to this. I'm just letting n be a variable. I'm saying that this variable equals that. Okay? Now, how many digits are repeating, Ryan?
2.
2 of them. So I want to multiply n by 10 to the 2, or 10 to the second. Okay? I want to multiply it by a 1 with 2 zeros. So 100n is equal to 07.07 repeating. Do you see that? The decimal point moved 2 places? And then behind this is 07, 07, 07 on forever and ever. Okay? So now, 100, would it just stop? Okay? I can get rid of that 0, yes? So 100n is equal to 7.07 repeating. Okay? Now I'm going to rewrite this underneath. N is equal to 0.07 repeating. Do you see what we're going to do here? Exactly. We're going to subtract. 100n minus 1n is 99n. Do you see the repeating portions cancel each other out when we subtract? And all that we have left is 7. Now to find out what n equals as a fraction, we divide by 99. And I'm going to get that n is equal to 7 over 99. Done. Check it out for me, Maddie. I saw you reaching for the calculator. Is that true?
Yeah.
7 divided by 99 is 0.070707 on forever. Beautiful. How do I know what to multiply by? Trey?
See how many repeating decimals there are?
See how many repeating digits there are. If there are 3 repeating digits, I multiply by 1,000, 1 with 3 zeros. If there are 2 repeating digits, I multiply by 100, 1 with 2 zeros. Okay? Now, let's look at this one. This is the one that I tried with the other class earlier, and it just didn't strike me when I picked it. It does something a little weird. Okay? Let's let this equal n, right? Now, how many digits are repeating, Bailey? 1, so I multiply by 10. A 1 with 1 zero. 10n is equal to 23.9 repeating. Now I'm going to take the n and write it back underneath. All right, n. And now this is 2.39 repeating. Now look at what I'm going to do here. Because we're subtracting decimals, I'm actually going to take the repeating thing off this first one, and I'm just going to write a 9 behind it with repeating. Do you see how I just moved it back 1 so I can subtract? So now this is going to give me 10n minus 1n is 9n is equal to, these two cancel out, and I'm going to get 21.6. Okay, I'm going to have to speed up here a little bit. Divide both sides by 9. I've got n is equal to 21.6 over 9. I don't like decimals in a fraction, so I'm going to multiply the top by 10 and the bottom by 10 to move it, and I'm going to get n is equal to 216 over 90. Now, 9 goes into both of these numbers. It goes into 216, let's see, 24 times, and it goes into 90 10 times. 2 goes into that, so I'm going to get 12 over 5. Now do this for me, Ryan.